Welcome to Drolliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit and then go to sounds and vibration. After that go to ringtone option and that's it. From here you can change your ringtone and you can choose any ringtone as you like. Now if you have two SIM cards in your phone, then you can set separate ringtone for separate SIM cards. From here you can set ringtone for SIM card 1, and if you tap here, and from here you can set ringtone for SIM card 2. If you want to set this ringtone, just select it and it's done. You can see it's changed successfully. You can also increase or decrease your ringtone volume from here. On the other hand, if you want to set any song or music as your ringtone, just tap on this plus icon and from here you can choose any song or music as you like. If you want to set this music as your ringtone, just select it, then tap on done and it's done. You can see it's changed successfully. And that is how you can change ringtone in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.